If your motor just failed, should you repair or replace it? I'm Keith from eMotors Direct, and today we're helping you make the right call. Our family business has been repairing motors for over 50 years, and today we'll share with you what we've learned along the way. Let's start with rewinding. If your motor windings are shorted or overloaded, they can be replaced to get the motor running again. But keep in mind, you still have an old motor that is less efficient and possibly not inverter rated, depending on its age. Rewinding used to be the standard, but with today's copper and labor costs, it often costs as much or more as a new motor. The only time it makes sense is if you have no other option, like a custom motor with a long lead time. Otherwise, a new motor is usually faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Repairing, on the other hand, involves a full overhaul. Cleaning, replacing bearings, balancing the rotor. It's a good option if your windings are still intact and the motor is making noise, or it's time to do some preventative maintenance. That said, motors under 30 horsepower are often cheaper to replace and repair. Even for larger motors, a new one may only cost a bit more and comes with a longer warranty and higher efficiency. Plus, if timing is a factor, you can usually find a new one faster than waiting weeks for repair. Many customers choose replacement to minimize downtime. Modern motors are built to higher standards. They're more efficient, last longer, and are inverter rated to work seamlessly with controlled systems like VFDs. So, when should you replace your motor versus rewinding or repairing it? It's a standard model and readily available. The cost to rewind the motor is over 50 to 60% of a new one. You want to improve energy efficiency. The motor's old or has had multiple repairs. You need to reduce downtime. If your motor is 10 to 20 years old or has been rewound before, further investment may not be worth it. And if we can get you a replacement tomorrow, you'll avoid costly delays. Also, depending on the horsepower rating, you could save hundreds or thousands of dollars over the life of the new motor by choosing a premium or super premium model with a higher efficiency. Still unsure? Give us a call. Our technical specialists are ready to help you choose the best option. I'm Keith from eMotors Direct. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. We're here to keep you motoring. See you next time.